Yes, everybody now wants to check out what's going on. Well, my dryer decided to stop working. Being one of those type of guys who likes to find out why something doesn't work, went on YouTube, learned real quick how to open one up, and found out that I need to replace the belt. And also check the bearing on my canister there, which seems to be quite loose. But here's what came to my attention. Ever wonder where some of the lint goes to, or maybe doesn't go all the way down that hose and out somewhere? This is what can start a fire in your dryer and start a fire in your home. So it just kind of opened up my eyes that see how bad the lint has built up in there. So part of replacing my belt is cleaning all of this lint out so I don't have a fire in the future. Alright, well, I hope this video helps you be aware of the hazards of the lint. And there's my Luna wanting to be a cameo in this video.